National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Christian County, northwestern Moultrie County, northwestern Shelby County, southern Piatt County, southeastern Macon County, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near the Decatur Airport to near Taylorville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Decatur, Mount Zion, Moweaqua, Long Creek, Assumption, Macon, Owanaco, and Decatur Airport around 3:15 p.m. Cerro Gordo and Dalton City around 3:20 p.m. Bethany, Lovington, and Hammond around 3:30 p.m.